All right. So hello guys. I hope everything is fine. You're studying and you're studying for your exam. What I will do is I will just do like that because as you already know, right, many times when I actually show everyone's photo, everyone's video, right? I have to move them around. So I will just show myself. All right. That's number one. So number two, if you have any questions or in doubt, you ask me first. Is that okay? So we're going to start now. Slide show, current slide. All right. So what are the things that we're going to do today? Please go to learn and attempt lesson 29. So this one is already in the student portal, right? Basically for those students who are dropping in and who are unsure what happens in 88 tuition. So what 88 tuition does is like that. All lessons are attempted first. So you do your paper first, all right? After you do the paper, you can do it online, right? So because you can type in all your answers in the given spaces, it's all online, all right? So once when you have finished typing all your answers, you can press submit. When you press submit, right, it goes into the system. Then the system will auto correct for you, and then you will get back feedback, okay? The feedback, the answers. Now, if you already have the answers, then why are we meeting, right? So when we meet, it is mainly to go through the answers, not only to go through the answers, but there are also components that 88 Tuition has already prepared, right, for the tutors to go through with the students. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. Basically, Clarice is here. So basically, we go through and at the same time to reinforce what you have learned, right? What we do is we also teach you certain concepts. Clarice, here we go, Clarice. Hi, Clarice. So I just press, yep. Okay, I think two more outstanding students. So I think, okay, never mind. I'm just going to move on now. All right. So, but for those people who don't have time to do, right? Sometimes you're sick, unwell, or maybe you are held up by certain things. You can do it with me, right? During tuition. What some students do is they had students before, right? They actually ask if they can just print out the worksheet. Sure, you can also print out the worksheet. You can download and print it out. A blank worksheet you can do it with me. So, or if not, right, you just listen in and then you learn from the slides. Is it okay? Can? So I assume at this stage that everybody has done their work. But as I mentioned, if you haven't, it's okay. You do it with me. I give you some, I give some time to complete it, right? And then we can go through the answers. Okay, let's move on now. So there are three components, right, that we are going to cover today. As usual, there are always three components. Darius, wait, I think we are left with only one more. One more student, Darius. Let me see. Okay, Darius Ng is actually dropping in. Hi, Darius. I actually admitted him already. So one last person. And who's that person? Toby. Okay, so never mind. We'll wait for Toby. We just continue, all right? Okay. Okay, everybody. So the first one we're going to go through will be grammar MCQs. All right, hold on. I get my pen. Okay. So grammar MCQ, and then we're going to do one visual text, and we're going to do one composition. All right. So instructions will be answer all questions, type all answers in the given spaces. You can refer to the vocabulary bank sheet. So for all your worksheets, right, there is this vocabulary bank. Okay. So in the vocabulary bank, you can add in any phrases, any words that you learned during the lesson. All right. And as you are doing them, also you can note down the new vocabulary that you've learned for the day. So like that, right, you will improve in your vocab because you add on every week. You add on some some in your vocabulary bank. All right. Okay, so let's move on now. This is 88's how. Sorry. This is 88's house rule, right? It's not my rules. This is 88 tuition rules by the company, right? It is compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone. So this is because all our lessons are recorded, right? So because it's recorded, therefore, yeah, it's compulsory for you to turn on your video and mute your microphone. Please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. You can ask a question, you can answer a question, you can share feedback, right? So there is a chat function here. If you see this, right? You can chat with me, you can ask me questions, it's fine. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. If you need to be excused, for example, go for toilet break, please inform the teacher using chat function and return ASAP. What is ASAP? As soon as possible. Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. So far, all of you have been very good students, very respectful, right? Very compliant. Okay, pleasant students to teach. Okay, we move on now. Today we are learning grammar MCQs. All right. So grammar MCQs are actually a compulsory component in your test. If you're sitting for paper 2, okay, paper 2 test, visual text also. And if you're sitting for paper 1, composition, we're covering that today. All right. So we're going to go through now. We're going to do this thing called phrasal verb, right? These are all phrasal verbs. Okay. Came at. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Please do. It's fine. You can wash your hand. Sure. He dashed this interesting book in the library while he was looking for another book. What do you think? Can you chat with me? What is your answer? He what this interesting book in the library while he was looking for another book. You want to chat? You can write down A, B, C, D. You can chat and give me an answer over here. Okay, I got one answer. C. All right, came across, is it? Why not? Okay, came at you, meaning the person like will something like confrontation, right? Came with means you came with your brother or sister to that place. Came over means you came over from the neighbor came over to my place, for example. So the answer will be yes, came across should be the answer. Correct. The answer is C. If you've written this, then you got it correct. Okay. Next one, we go on to number 2. Make sure you get a good bargain and not lose out, lose up. Lose up. I don't think there's some of the phrasal verbs. There's no such thing. They just put it there like that. Lose off or lose to. Lose to is usually in a competition, but we are not in a competition, are we? Right? We are in a bargain. So what do you think? Make sure you get a good bargain and not which one? You want to chat with me? Anybody? Nobody? Okay, I got somebody who wants to chat. Yes, B. Lose up. You think it's lose up? Anybody else? B again. You've got students saying B. What is a bargain? Oh, good question. It's a bargain. Okay, so if you are bargaining something, example, okay, this phone. All right, this is a phone, right? So you sell this phone for $20. You are a seller. Okay, you're a seller. You sell this for $20. And I said, and I bargain. I said, Mr. Not $20, please. Can you sell it for $15? Okay, I bargain. I say the next price. Then you say, oh no, miss, cannot. $15 is too low. How about $18? I can sell it for $18. Then I said, Mister, I bargained $17. Is it okay, mister? From 15, now I've come up to 17. Then you say, no, miss. I can sell it to you. Okay, fine. $17.50. Then I say, okay, can. Then I buy it from you at $17.50. That's bargain. Bargain means there is some kind of exchange, right? You ask for a lower price, for example. So make sure you get a good bargain and not, what do you think? And not lose out. Okay, get a good bargain, discount, something like discount. Yes, correct, you're right. Yes, so bargain is like a discount. Sorry, whenever I do that, right, it's always like that, discount. Okay, so get a good discount, or if not, you lose out. All right, because you pay more, right? When you pay more, then it's like losing out, when people get discounts and you don't. All right, next, number 3, what there? And don't give up. My mother encouraged me. What do you think? Hang on there and don't give up. Hang up there, hang up the phone, right? Hang out with friends. Hang in there and don't give up. What do you think? Hang on there or hang in there? What do you think? Hang on there or hang in there. Which one makes sense? D, you think? You think it's D? All right. Yes, you're right. The answer is D. Okay, good. Yes. Hang on there. No, hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there, man. You can do it. Don't give up. Hang in. You don't let go. All right? Hang in there and don't give up. Okay? Can I move on to the next one? Number 4. Hang on is wait, Hang on, right? Hang on. Like wait. This means wait. Whoops. Wait. Hang on. Right? Is wait. Hang in means you hold on to something and don't let go. Don't give up. All right? Okay, next. My little niece sat in the rocking chair, and what happened if you are at the rocking chair? What do you think? Rocking chair and nodded off, nodded out, nodded out. How do you nod out, right? Nodded away. Nodded away means you go this all the way. Nodded down like that. So nodded off, you think? Some people say nodded off. Let's check it out. Is it nodded off? Yes, you're right. My little niece sat in the rocking chair and nodded off. Nodded off means, and she nodded off and she's going to fall asleep. Okay, can? Okay, I move on to the next one. Number 5. The Wilsons are going to what? Their new house before moving in. The Wilsons are going to do up their new house before moving in. To do with their new house before moving in. Do off the new house, do in the new house before moving in? What do you think? So what's the meaning of do up? When you do up, right, means can we play a game? Yeah, sure, I can. Definitely later. I have put aside a game already, Blue Cat. I think I have idioms. Quite interesting, idioms. Got a lot of idioms that you can study through Blue Cat. Yeah. So later we can play some game. We see if idioms, correct. So we see if we can sustain, you know what I mean? Not? Because the first time we played, right, we cannot sustain. They kick us out after question number 6 because we keep on giving them the wrong answer. Not the wrong answer, but the wrong the wrong, I think the wrong clues to make a kingdom, right? So they kick us out after 6. Actually, there are many questions. So I hope that we are as good as last week. Okay? Yes. Blue Cat. Not booklet. Blue Cat. Later we check it out. All right? Later. We have quite a lot to do today though, but we can. Okay, so the answer is the oh my God. Sorry, there was something fell. Never mind. Sorry. The Wilsons are going to do up the house. So when you do up means you make it nice. All right. You make the house nice. Nice. Decorate the house, right? When you have a party, you will also do up your house. Correct or not? Yes, correct. Look at idioms. Yes, correct. Okay, let's move on. All right. So basically, if you just came in, or if you missed out any of the lessons at the beginning, these are your answers. Number 1, C. Number 2, A. Number 3, D. Number 4, A. And number 5, A. Okay, C, A, D, A, A. Okay, sorry. I need to sit up for a while because I've been sitting down from just now. I also have other lessons before and work. So, okay, let's move on. All right, guys. Okay. Now, the reason why I look kind of like shadow, right, on my face is because I don't have, those people with Instagram. They're beautiful Instagram, light, LED light and all that. I don't have that light. The only thing is I have to go make another big light in front of me. So so I just switch on one light. I hope you can still see me. Yeah, I'm putting on my mask. Main reason is because I'm still coughing. Okay, I go on to visual text now. Visual text. Okay, what about the visual text that we're doing today? Okay, this is a compulsory question also. It's small, I think. So because it's a bit small, what I did was I'm going to blow it up for you. I have over here. Yeah. So I hope that's a bit big for you. Right, let's check it out. Children's talent show, because I know some of you use handphone, right? Some students learn online, but they use handphone or iPad. It's not so big, you see. So I try to accommodate to your devices. So then I hope that you can see better. Okay, so Children's Talent Show 2023 organized